we'll go for the next contact force, that is normal reaction force. Now what is normal reaction force? Okay, normal means it is, in physics it is always perpendicular. So what is normal reaction force? It's a force perpendicular to the surface on which the object is laying. It is what keeps the object from falling through the surface. You can see in this diagram the weight of this object is acting in downward direction, then this weight is balanced by another force which is applied on that object in upward direction, which is called as normal reaction force. Okay, the next one is spring force. The spring force is a force exerted by a compressed or stretched spring upon any object that is attached to it. You can see in this diagram, when the force is applied on the spring, the spring gets compressed when the force is applied on the spring to compress it. You can see in the second diagram that if you pull that spring in outward direction, then the shape of the spring will change, and when you release the spring comes back to its original position because of deforming force. Okay, so this is an example. These are the examples of spring force.